Question number 61. Jaspreet invested 17,250 at 6% simple annual interest. Exactly after 3 years, Ravinder invested 15,000 at 12% simple annual interest. How many years after Ravinder investment will their amount, that is principal plus accumulated interest, be equal? After 3 years after Jaspreet invested, amount with Jaspreet is coming out to be 17,250 plus 6% is annual interest. In 3 years it will be 18% of 17,250. Just solve it. 18,000 means 18 by 100. I'll cancel this. I'll say 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 25, 5s are 25. 2 is coming here. This is 9. No, not 2 years. It is 3 years. After 3 years, Ravinder invested 15,000. So 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 36 plus 4 is 49, 3s are 27 plus 4 is 31. The amount is coming out to be 20,355. This is the amount which is coming here. And now at this moment, Ravinder come with his money. Now Ravinder is having 15,000 rupees with him. He's every year he's earning 12% on 15,000 every year. So it is coming out to 1,800 is what he is going to get as a simple interest. This is per year, 1 year. And what is the simple interest for him? We know it is 6% of this. So 17250 into 6% of that is 6 by 100. I'll cancel it. I know 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, this and then this is 3. 3 5s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 13, 3 3s are 1035. So on this you are getting 1035. The gap between them is coming out to be how much, my dear? It is coming out to be 765. So you are earning 765 extra every year. Now I'm talking about Ravinder. To compensate this amount, how much is it more? It is 5,355 more. I'll say divided by 765, you will get your answer. 5 ones are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5, and this is coming out to be 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. And then you can say 9 is a value which can divide it. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 ones are 9, 9 7s are 63, 17 7s are. So I'll say 7 years is the time period in which it will be compensated. So what is your answer? How many years after Ravinder's investment, the principal accumulated by both, principal plus interest accumulated by both of them are coming out to be same? I'll say answer is 7 years. Let me repeat the question. Jaspreet came with 17,250. He invests 6%. He gets 6% interest every year. Till 3 years, no one was there. So in 3 years, he gets 18% of interest, which comes out to be 3105. The total amount with Jaspreet is 20,355 when Ravinder comes with his 15,000. Now Ravinder has 15,000 rupees. He is going to earn every year 12% on 15,000, which comes out to be yearly interest of 1,800. While this guy is earning a simple interest, so you are going to get simple interest only on the principal amount. That is on 17,250, you are earning 6%. Look at this. So what is the yearly interest that you are getting? You are getting 1,035. That means Ravinder earns overall 1,800 is what he is earning. 1,035 is what Jaspreet is earning. You will say this is coming out to be 765 he is earning every year extra. Now, if he keep on earning 765 every year to compensate whatever is the difference between Jaspreet and Ravinder's amount, which is 5,355. Why? Because 20,355 minus 15,000. Because this amount is already more with Jaspreet. We want to compensate it, and that can be compensated because every year Ravinder get closer by 765 rupees to Jaspreet. So to cover 5,355 at the rate of 765 every year, if you divide it, it is going to take 7 years.